A lot of people don't know this, but before the heliocentric model, the Ptolemy model was the standard, or in other words, the geocentric model was the standard for basically all astronomers, astrologers, mathematicians, and scientists. And they all knew that the Earth was the center of the universe and that it was stationary. And they depicted the sun, moon, stars, and the wandering stars orbiting above and around the stationary geocentric Earth. Ptolemy lived in Alexandria, Egypt during the 2nd century AC and is considered the most important astronomer of antiquity. He even wrote a book called The Mathematical Collection, so he was a mathematician and an astronomer, and he was brilliant. For 1400 years, up to the 16th century, all astronomers, Greeks, Muslims, and Christians worked within the Ptolemaic system, with additions and corrections to the basic structure created by Ptolemy. And the moon was also considered a planet back then. In fact, the planet nearest to Earth is the moon, which completes a single revolution around the Earth in about 1 month. Further out are the rest of the planets: Mercury, Venus, the Sun, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. So there were 7 planets back then, which included the Sun and the Moon and the rest of the planets that I just mentioned here. And Ptolemy's astronomy was based on the physics of Aristotle, which separates the activities of the sublunar world and the supralunar world. According to Aristotle, the supralunar world is made up of a special material which differs from the material on Earth. Here's the good part. This material is called ether, aka the firmament. Ether is a very hard material but lighter than anything known on Earth. Ether's main feature is its circular motion, and thus all the stars, by their nature, move in circles. And time-lapse videos of the stars prove that. All of the stars are located within a single sphere. This sphere revolves around the Earth and completes an entire revolution every 24 hours. Basically, this was a working mathematical model of the universe.